What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So I bought a portable travel utensil brush and buckle set. Yes, let me take it out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I really like this one. I don't know what we call, whatever you just call a loop. Maybe to use with your carabiner clip. Let me see. Can we use? I have a small carabiner clip, but still you can use. Yeah. Okay. To hook to hang around your backpack. So let me show you from inside. Here we go. Okay. Oh, we got a carabiner clip again, but I prefer this carabiner clip, a dual one. So you use the carabiner clip like this. Am I right? Come on, carabiner clip, carabiner clip. Okay, here we go. Yeah, like this. So what we got? We got a straw. Wow, steel straw. Save the environment. Do not use a plastic straw. We got some two chopsticks. Okay, no. We got two straw. I don't know. This one is also straw. This is also straw. And we got chopstick. Can I put chopstick in this straw? Anyway, we got two straw. Okay. And we got two chopstick. You got chopstick. You use like this. I love chopstick. We got a knife. Yes. We got a knife. Now, oh no, we got a knife. Let me take out the rubbish. Okay. We got a brush to clean for the straw. You do like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm happy. And then we got a spoon. I don't know why they're wasting plastic. The spoon. Okay, it's a beautiful silver spoon. And what we got? We got a fork. So how many things we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 things. I think for around 12 bucks on Amazon. It's a very good deal. And then we got a thermal padding inside. I don't know what is the reason. Of course, we're not going to keep this warm unless, I don't know. Unless what? Yeah. Let me put inside. Okay. Yeah. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.